shoot. Oh my god. Here, I'm gonna leave the rest up to you. I gotta take care of something.
Do-it-yourself Del here, doing another product eval, another food review, and we're gonna ask our guest to take the first slice.
Alright, so this is Little Caesars Pizza, a very well-known pizza brand. Today we've got the vegan pizza and our sausage pizza. So yeah, I'll give you a close-up of what that looks like. Pretty standard fare. You got your olives, your green peppers, your onions, cheese. Looks real good. Alright, so yeah.
Take a slice?
I'll give you, actually I'll take this one. And if you want to take a slice of the pepper sausage in there.
No, the whole reason is he... No,
We're doing this one.
Yep.
All right, there you go.
This is in response to one of our commenters that wanted to know if I liked any other brands of pizza. And this happens to be one of them. And so, do I mention the name or no?
You can. Yeah.
So for Tori S, this is in response to your comment, and I'm going to take a little bite here of one of them. These are the ones we usually get, like I said. So you see firsthand that we value our comments. People comment to us and they indicate that they want to see something, or something's doing them some good, or they want to know our opinions about something. We respond.
So far, just on first bite, I like the taste. I'm always a fan of veggies on pizza. Just to like that, just to mix up a little bit from the standard pepperoni and sausage. And as far as vegan pizzas go, yeah, definitely solid. Yeah, and I'm not exactly sure what the seasoning on this is, but yeah, it's a very good seasoning on top, I'd say.
Is it paprika?
Not paprika, I don't think. I don't know my spices, man.
Probably basil. Most likely.
Do you have a question?
Yeah, I have a question. So what would you guys say is the texture of the pizza? Because I'm big on crispiness and making sure it's crisp, solid bite, nothing soggy. What would you say is the texture of the pizza so far?
I'd say it's right in the middle. Not too crunchy, not too soft.
Solid.
I would definitely say it's not on the crispy side. So if you're a crispy guy, you're going to have to get yourself a crispy pizza, and this
So not that.
is not that.
Okay.
Yeah, and the dough has a bit of a different bite to it, I'd say. Just different feel, different texture.
So are we good?
Well, we want to try this one as well. It's just a cross comparison. And then that should be good.
That's my favorite one.
Oh, your cheese pizza. Okay.
Yep, we've got a deep dish pizza here. Just cheese.
Give it a bite.
So,
Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Here, I'm gonna leave the rest up to you. I gotta take care of something.
okay, so this is their cheese pizza, same company. So we'll try that out as well. But these are my two options with cheese, either vegetarian, with pizza, either vegetarian or cheese. So I prefer the vegetarian, but I have no problems with this one either. So I hope this helps, and we're flattered that you're interested in our opinions about different foods. So I'm gonna sign off. Subscribite y comente, and thumb up and share.